Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make an email list on Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to make an email list on, click on edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to make an email list, it's simple. Let's say you want to start collecting emails using a form on the first section of your website. So I will delete this email list form and then go to Brevo. This is the email marketing tool we will use for this tutorial. It's called Brevo. It offers a free plan that is very generous. So after creating your account, go to contacts, click on forms, then click on create a sign up form, select full page / embedded. Here give your form a name, for example email list form to delete, because I will delete it later. Click on create form. Now design your email list form. For example, I will delete this block, also this block. For this email form, I will uncheck label form and the help text. Now let's add the first name form field. Click on go back to build, drag and drop this field called attribute and place it where you want it to be. Now by default it uses SMS. I will change it to first name. Same thing, uncheck the label name and the help text. Now let's rename this subscribe button, for example, get your free ebook. I will adjust this button size by adjusting its text. Also align it in the center. For this container white background, I will use a color that is close to my section. Here, instead of this, I will open this screenshot software on my computer. Take a screenshot of this. Go to this website called photopea.com. Paste my screenshot. Click on this square to open this color picker tool and copy this color code. Now I will use this color code here to be close to my background. Now I think yes, okay. Now for this gray section background, I will make it transparent. From here you can preview your form in the mobile, and you can reset your editing from here and undo an action from here. Now click on next to jump to the second step, which is selecting your email list. Here by default you will have, or Brevo will give you this email list called your first list. Select it from here, click on next. Here you can add new subscribers to your email list by double confirmation or double opt-in confirmation, simple confirmation, or no confirmation. But I recommend you to go with double confirmation. Here double confirmation means that your subscriber, before joining your list, should click on a button or click on a confirmation button in order to join. This way you make sure that your subscribers really have access to their inbox, and this helps with your email deliverability rate. Here you can check this box next to confirmation page after submitting the form. For example, after submitting the form, instead of showing them a pop-up, for example, please confirm your email address. You can send them to a specific page on your website that says please confirm your email address. Same thing for the confirmation page after clicking on the validation or the confirmation button in the email, and this one after the final confirmation email. For this video, I will keep things simple, so I will use the default confirmation messages. Click on next. Let's select this default. Here you can also edit your messages. For example, this success message, like your subscription has been successful. The information provided is invalid. Please review the field format and try again. You can edit those messages. Click on next. Now, instead of copying the iframe code for Hostinger, I recommend you to go with the HTML code. Double click it to select it all, then copy it and click on done. Now go back to the website builder. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now go back to the website builder and click on elements, scroll down and drag and drop this element called embed code. Click on enter code, delete this default code, paste your own, and click on embed code. This is your email list joining form. Now click on update website, view site, and this is my email list form in Hostinger website builder. Let's give this email list a try. For the first name, I will go first try. I will call myself first try. For the email, I will go with ben@dotcom.builders. Get your free ebook. Your subscription has been successful. And this is an example of the email message that your contacts or email list subscribers will receive in order to confirm their email address. Now, after hitting this button, yes, subscribe me to this list, they will successfully join your list. And then you can either send them a campaign from here, email, or write your campaign name, create campaign, and then send them your email, or use automations to automatically start sending them automated email messages depending on your workflow. For example, you can say immediately send the value they opted for, and after a day or two send them other emails, and so on. And this is how to make an email list in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.